Assalamu alaikum dear students and good morning to all of you. How are you all? Hope all of you are doing great. Kids, welcome to the class. As you all know, my name is Nida Sahar and I am your science teacher. Okay kids, today we are going to start our new chapter 4, our food. The main points which I am going to discuss in this chapter are: why do we need food? Main nutrients that are found in our food like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. And I'm also going to talk about what is a balanced diet. So let's get started. So kids, first my question is, why do we need food? We need food every day. We need food to get energy, to grow, and to help our body remain healthy by fighting diseases. Kids, as you all know that we eat different kinds of food daily. Different foods have different nutrients that help us in different ways. Nutrients are the substances that provide energy for growth, activity, and all the functions of the body, such as breathing, digesting food, keeping warm, repair of the body, and to keep the immune system healthy, right? Some nutrients provide energy, others help us to grow. Some nutrients help us to fight diseases. So food is one of the basic components of our life. It helps to provide all the basic vital nutrients like proteins, vitamins, carbohydrates, fats and minerals to our body. All nutrients provide energy to our body. When our body gets energy from these nutrients, then our body functions in a proper manner. Clear? So kids, there are 6 main nutrients that are found in our food. What are nutrients? Nutrients are the substances that are present in our food and they provide us energy to perform all the body functions. So the 6 main nutrients that are present in our food are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. So there are 6 main nutrients that are found in our food. Number 1, proteins. Number 2, carbohydrates. Number 3, fats. Number 4, vitamins. Number 5, minerals. And number 6, water. So let's discuss them one by one. So first I am going to discuss proteins. Proteins are nutrients that help our body in growth. Protein builds, maintains and replaces the tissues in our body. Our body needs protein to grow. Children need a lot of proteins. Your muscles, your organs, your immune system, they are made up of mostly of protein. Okay? So what are the major functions of proteins? They help in growth and maintenance of your body. They help in building muscles, building tissues and building immune system of your body. Here are the examples of food that contain protein, which include fish, eggs, meat, all kind of meat that include mutton, chicken and beef. They are rich in protein. Pulses and beans, all pulses and beans are rich in protein. They contain high amount of protein. So these are the examples, some examples of food that contain proteins. Now the carbohydrates. Carbohydrate is a substance or a nutrient that is rich in energy, and it is made up of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Carbohydrates are the nutrients that give us quick energy. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. Sugar and starches are two types of carbohydrates. Children who play a lot and people who do physical labor need a lot of carbohydrates because they need more energy to perform their body functions. So carbohydrates are the nutrients that give you quick energy. They are the nutrients that are the main source of energy. They help fuel your brain, kidneys, heart, muscles, and central nervous system. So these are the nutrients that provide you instant energy. So kids, as I have mentioned earlier that there are two types of carbohydrates, sugar and starches. The food that contain sugar include donuts, sweets, candies and cakes. And the natural source of sugar are bananas, pineapple and strawberries. These are the food that contain sugar. Now the sources of starch. The food that contains starch include bread, potato, cereals, rice, wheat. These are the food that contain starch, and starch and sugars are the types of carbohydrates. Okay, now the third nutrient, fats. Fats are the nutrients that give our body energy to store. Fats are essential to give our body energy and to support cell growth. They also help to protect our organs and help our body to keep warm. Our body uses the stored fat for energy if it does not get enough food. Fats also help to keep us warm. Our body also makes its own fat from the foods that we eat. So, what is the main function of the fats? Fats are the nutrients that give our body energy to store. Fats are important to give our body energy and to support cell growth. They help to protect our organs and they help to keep our body warm. The food that contain fats include oil, butter, ghee, cheese, cream and nuts. These are the sources of fats. These are the food that contain high amount of fats, oil, butter, ghee, cheese, cream, and nuts. Kids, do you know eating too much fat will make our body fat? Our body does not require too much fat to be healthy. Eating too much fat will make our body fat and unhealthy. It can also causes the diseases of heart when a person becomes older. It also causes the other diseases like cholesterol and high blood pressure. So eating too much fat is not good for our body. Okay kids, now I am going to discuss vitamins. Vitamins are the group of nutrients that our body needs for good health and proper growth. Vitamin means vital for life. Vitamins are nutrients necessary for healthy functioning of our bodies. We need vitamins to help us grow, to see correctly, to form bones, muscles, skin, and organs, as well as to help us battle infections. But only a small quantity of each vitamin is required. There are six main types of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So, vitamin means vital for life. Vitamins are the compounds which are necessary for the healthy functioning of our bodies. So kids, here are the some sources of vitamins. Almost all vegetables and fruits contain all kinds of vitamins. For example, fish contains vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight. Bread, eggs, they contain vitamin B that are good for your heart and nerves. And oranges and all citrus fruits contain vitamin C that is good for your skin, bones, gums, and teeth. And cheese and milk contains vitamin D, which is good for your bones and teeth. So almost all kinds of food contain different types of vitamins, and they are the nutrients that are vital for our life. But their small quantity of each vitamin is required. But if the body does not get any vitamin in proper quantity, it can cause dangerous diseases. Now, the minerals. Just like vitamins, minerals help your body to grow, develop, and stay healthy. These are the nutrients that our body requires in small quantities to remain healthy. Some minerals also help to build our body parts. The body uses minerals to perform many different functions, from building strong bones. Some minerals are even used to make hormones or maintain a normal heartbeat. So, just like vitamins, minerals help your body to grow, develop, and stay healthy. So, here are the food that contain minerals. And here are some types of minerals like calcium, zinc, magnesium, iron, and potassium. These minerals are present in different types of food. For example, if I talk about calcium, calcium, as you all know, it is present in all dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, and it is helpful for making your bones strong. Iron, high amount of iron is present in apple, spinach, potato. So iron forms blood in your body. And if I talk about potassium, potassium is high amount of potassium is present in bananas, and potassium helps in making your muscles working better, right? So these are all the foods that contain minerals. Here comes the most essential nutrient, water. Kids, as you all know that water makes up more than half of our body weight. We lose a lot of water every day. We lose water when we sweat, breathe, or pass urine. We must replace this water. As you all know that all food contain water. They give us some of the water required by our body. But in addition, we must drink a lot of water to stay healthy. Drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. As I have mentioned earlier that our body is composed of about 60% water. The functions of these bodily fluids include digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of all the nutrients, and maintenance of the body temperature. These all functions are performed by the water if we are drinking proper and enough amount of water. Water also helps, it also increases energy and relieves fatigue. It promotes weight loss. It flushes out all the toxins from your body. It also improves your skin complexion and maintains regularity. So we must drink enough water that fulfill all of our body needs. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Okay kids, now I am going to talk about the balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? The diet which have all the nutrients that our body needs in proper quantities is called a balanced diet. A diet consisting of variety of different types of food and providing proper amounts of nutrients necessary for good health is called a balanced diet. For example, if I say a person who is just eating the carbohydrates and he is not taking the fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals, so is this a balanced diet? No. A balanced diet is the diet which contain all of the 6 main nutrients in proper quantities. A healthy diet is one that helps maintain or improve overall health. A balanced or healthy diet provides the body with essential nutrition, fluids, and proper calories which are useful, which are helpful for your body. So kids, now it's your turn. You are going to read the chapter from page 25 till 27, and I'm sure after watching this video and after reading the chapter thoroughly, you would be able to tell why do we need food, why proteins are essential for children, what are 2 types of carbohydrates. Can you give 4 examples of food that contain proteins? What are 6 types of vitamins? What are sources of fats? And what is a balanced diet? So kids, that is all for the today's lecture. In the next lecture, I am going to discuss the remaining part of the chapter and I am going to discuss the book exercises with you. Okay kids, I am going to see you in the next class. Till then, all of you stay home, stay safe and study hard. Take care and Allah Hafiz.